say that we've been under attack, and everybody wonders how we're gonna fight back, and if we will last, facing the facts. We're standing all alone as the war weighs on. At times I start to wonder where we really belong. The pressure is on, it's making us strong. We're gonna survive. We're gonna survive. We're coming alive. They wonder why there's no